thing about the multiple intelligence theory is that it supports the nature versus nurture debate on both sides. As far as nature is concerned, the multiple intelligence theory understands that children are born with certain natural tendencies. They may have a propensity to learn a particular skill or talent with ease. At the same time, the multiple intelligence theory recognizes that skills, talent, and intelligence can be developed and strengthened. On the nurture side of the debate, the multiple intelligence theory holds that intelligence can be cultivated and can be developed.